So with Zach, and I'm an idiot, I ordered the wrong tie rod ends. So we're going to Vato Zone, Advanced, and O'Reilly's, and probably Napa also, to try to find tie rod ends that'll work on a Celica steering rack. So, I'm stupid.
Didn't you order like 240?
No, MX-73 Cressida, so 85-ish Toyota Cressida. But they were supposed to work, but they won't work, so I'm stupid.
Measurement failures.
Yeah. Anyway, so today we're going to try to get the, I know I said I'm going to try to do this in like 5 episodes, so it's going to be either 5 or 6. 20 episodes later.
6 episodes for Rack and Pinion.
Yeah, six for Rack and Pinion, 5 for the overall build. But anyway, yeah. So today we'll try to get all the last stuff buttoned up, and my clutch didn't come in.
Thanks, coronavirus.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Because anybody watching this 4 years from now, this will keep this relevant. Coronavirus.
Yeah. We are Internet Explorer.
Yes. But flights to Japan are only $400. So round trip.
Hookers are cheap.
That's Thailand. We're gonna have to honk.
They're all the same thing. They all look.
Ooh!
I can't say that.
Ooh! Look at that!
Oh,
Look at that!
y'all can't see it, Dan.
Oh, y'all can't see it, but I'm pretty sure he has really good weed.
A mint El
I am
Camino.
sure he has really good weed.
They look like gold Forgiatos.
That's why.
I don't know, man.
He might be the Coke man. I'm gonna try to catch it. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Probably a V6. 4.3, carrying 30s. So anyway, yeah. So we're gonna try to get all the other crap done that has to be done for the motor to go in, and I'd really like to get power to it, but that's probably not gonna happen. So whatever. But here comes the dope boy. So I'll try to get him for you. The grill is gold, like everything you could imagine is gold. He's gonna come up on my left. Are you recording?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, here goes.
Oh. Here he comes.
Damn, son. Where'd you find this?
I was recording too. Here he comes.
Oh, he hit the gas. Damn, son. Where'd you find this?
Oh, I jumped. Oh, it's smoking. Look at that.
Gold rims, gold suit, handicap plate. Heck yeah. You're too damn smart to be working it. O'Reilly's.
So we just learned something. A Dodge
Truck.
Look how bright it is. Like we were solid white there for a second. So the Rumblebee Dodge, if you get a chip, just a chip,
ECU chip.
an ECU
Straight
chip.
from eBay.
Yeah. Just no brand. It's just an ECU chip. You will run anywhere, just plugging it in, anywhere.
No other mods.
No other mods from an 11 to a 9.
This man said, thing to run. Low 11s to high 9s.
Yep. Just plugging in the chip.
Easy. No
Stock motor.
exhaust, stock engine.
Dodge is missing a golden opportunity with this guy at O'Reilly
must
Auto
have been
Parts.
the OG Hellcat guy.
No. We also learned that the guy that helped us in O'Reilly's, his girlfriend has a Batmobile. Yeah, the Batmobile.
And the doors, they go
and
like
the doors
this.
go up. You know, kind of like a Lamborghini.
Oh.
Well, I guess they would be Lamborghini doors.
I don't know. These guys are too smart for O'Reilly Auto Parts. Here in Thompson, Jordan, too much Subaru power.
Yeah, too much CV power.
All that all-wheel drive torque.
Yeah, CVT torque.
Oh, I can't see.
So yeah, that's what we learned. Is
Been a very adventurous day.
yeah, I got
Saw Donk Master.
Oh, Donk Master on the 30.
Heard about the fucking Batmobile here in Thompson,
Yeah,
Georgia.
the Batmobile, which is probably an Eclipse with Lambo doors.
Probably, and not even a Celica.
Not even a solid.
I don't know which is worse.
But so nobody had the part I needed, so we're gonna cut and weld.
We didn't go to AutoZone yet.
You wanna
could
go to
try-
AutoZone?
I mean,
We're gonna record in there though,
okay.
because I ain't missing anything like that again. Because if we tell that story, like right now, nobody will believe.
No.
Like the kid at O'Reilly's just told me I could run 9s just with a chip and a Rumblebee. Is a Rumblebee really a thing?
Yeah, it
I thought
is.
they were Super Bees.
No, Super B's the Charger.
Oh, okay. And then Rumblebee would be the truck.
Yeah, Rumblebee, Super Bee, and the Bumblebee is a Camaro.
Yeah. Rumblebee.
Or the Transformer.
Oh, and then you can lower it by getting custom 2-inch drop shackles. They have to be custom made drop shackles because obviously
nobody
makes a leaf spring drop shackle for 2 inches for a Rumblebee.
Right,
Nobody.
Nobody
It uses NASA proprietary technology.
Pure titanium.
Pure adamantium. They have
Almost
to kill
as
a
strong
wolverine
as
to
the
get
contrast on this sunny day.
Yes, and it is very, very contrasty. So we're gonna go in here and get lied to some more about 9-second cars. Hi. You
probably a 7-second Honda pulls up in this bitch.
probably.
No turbo.
None.
D series.
So we made it back to the shop. Zach, what he's gonna do is tear down the front of the truck, and I'm gonna hop on the forklift and go and I'm gonna pull out the fuel tank of the other Celica and the few parts we need from that. But so after our educational O'Reilly's experience, I guess we'll finally get started after wasting all morning. Alright, so here's our dilemma. We're debating on how to mount the fuel tank because it fills from the bottom, and we're debating here or in the bed, basically. That's where we're at now. So we're not sure how we're going to do it. I guess we're going to hold off, figure that out in a minute, and go from there.
I can drive. Just keep it front wheel drive.
Yeah, we'll just make front wheel
Or
drive. Like a Corvette.
No. No.
One day.
We don't have that much money.
No, I'm poor.
Maybe y'all should, share, like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. Share, like, comment, subscribe so we can buy a C6 Z06 and put a K series in it.
No, that's not why.
That's why.
No.
Or a ZR1. Find a salvage one. Oh.
Only if I can keep it.
Put it in something.
Yeah, we'll put it in the Subaru.
The Subaru.
LS9 Subaru, yeah, it's sick. Which nobody has seen because it's slow and stop. So. It doesn't have stancy wheels, so nobody cares about it.
Stancy wheels.
It just has.
Alright. So what I went through and did is I cut out the top bump stop, and we removed everything so that we can take this laser cut piece, get it in there. That way the ball joint bolt can still bolt in, the bag will go in, and then all we got to do is weld in the upper plate to that guy there, but it'll be at an angle, but weld that in, and then the front is bagged. So that gets rid of the torsion bars and all the issues we had with getting the steering rack lined up. But the steering rack will be the next piece with the puzzle to go in. So we went through and we put in the mounting plate for where the silica steering wheel will go. We'll change out the steering wheel itself to a quick release or something. Put the seats in to make sure all the distance is right. We got all the wiring in the floor, which we got to go through and finish up. Because the clutch didn't come in, that kind of screwed up everything. But we started working on the rack and pinion, modifying everything for that. I played with the idea of that exhaust for the truck. We went ahead and notched out the stuff in the front, and so not a lot accomplished. So this is going to be kind of a dead video for it. I may not even make this part of the Hilux series, but we may make this just part of the info or painting stuff.